Withdrawing money from Binance to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Ensure you have completed any necessary identity verification to enable withdrawals. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, go to the Wallet section on the homepage. From there, select Fiat and Spot to view your available balances. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the Fiat and Spot section, find the currency you wish to withdraw, e.g., USD, Euro. Click on the Withdraw button next to that currency. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the required information, including the amount you want to withdraw and your bank account details. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Depending on your bank and the withdrawal method, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your account. Always keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your transaction.